lost a peace of mind after getting Gurkha. See, as a driver, you know, as an owner of the car, you want the problems to settle down, right? It may be minor error, major error, whatever, whichever it is. You need to settle down that and do your work. That's it. But this one, probably each day morning you need to, you will be attending one issue all the time. The errors which I face right now, they're like navigation system or the car stereo. It's a useless one. Doesn't work at all. They're projecting it as a like CarPlay, Android Auto, Android. No CarPlay, Android Auto is not supported for this stock system. It's just a mirroring. Mirroring is not a CarPlay. Please understand this. But these people just mirroring the phone. What they did, what I understood, this stock system is coming from Nippon, which is where it is coming from Android. Nippon. They're saying it's Kenwood or whatever the brand it is, but it's a very basic system. Even Nippon people don't have any control on it. They're saying it's an Android system, but it's entirely locked. You cannot use the Play Store or install any other apps on this or delete any other apps. But unfortunately, I did while taking the vehicle out, while coming out from the showroom. I use the like a Google Map for the navigation. So it is quitting and asking to the updates. So when I press the update, this is quitting and quitting. App is getting crashed. So I thought to delete this one and reinstall again. One mistake I did. Then before deleting, I didn't see it's a Android system. No, so you'll be probably. I mean, mostly we're having the Play Store, or App Store, or anything. You can go and download from them. So when I look in for the after deleting, when I look for the like Play Store, you won't be able to see it. That everything is like a kind of a lock. You having like a few icons over there which is locked. You cannot do or install or anything apart from this. Okay. So then I connected Nippon people, which I thought like don't want to change the layout of it by installing any other. But Nippon people also said this cannot be done. Only resetting can be done. When the resetting is done, and it's not working at all. It's not really possible. Then they try to like upgrade into you pay for like around 16,000, and the next version is there, same size, layout, and all. You can probably install that. But unfortunately, like I went to like the service center uh, somewhere in Koramangala, Nippon Authorized Service Center. He offered the system for 16,000, which is priced out like 20. Maybe after discounts and all, like maybe Amazon is showing 16,000, but this all the people, I don't know like why did I win them, only because only the thought is like I don't want to like lost the feel of the stock and fit any different layout system over there. This I didn't want it, so I went for like that way, Nippon. But I landed on kind of a jugaad person, no knowledge of fitting. He tried the dashboard and all like by heavy screwdriver, and putting something like we feel like, oh, yo, this is a new vehicle, don't do anything. I somehow I told him, I convinced him, don't do anything. Like I'll come back tomorrow. But I vanished from the scene actually. Then I came back to home, which is we are in Jayanagar, and here one shop is there called Konark. I went there in the early morning and told them, "Do you have anything which can be fit into this one?" So I saw a blow ponget or what is it? Like that is mostly like a same size and everything. It is fitting over there. Um, I removed the like a Nippon and fitted this one. It is costed me 27, which is having Android and Apple Play wirelessly also, plus fitting charges. They also done uh, the fog lamping changes. So totally it is costing me 50K. So to see why I'm saying this very detailedly, to save like 5,000 rupees on a average car system, they've done this very like what I can use the word for this. Cheap is not the one we're supposed to use it. I'm not getting the vocabulary, but what to do? Very cheap system to save just 5,000 rupees. The at least you give it for the wired CarPlay, and we don't need to really touch the system, right? Navigation is very important because we don't know where we are going, and city traffic, and it will be always useful. You will be having a navigation system. Of course, without that, like none of the cars are working right now. So they will be saving 5,000 rupees, but you will be spending 50,000. Please make sure this. Okay, this is the one.